Hello, for this quick video I am going to show you how to find the last active cell. Sometimes a cell that I click on could appear empty, but it could be very active. So you just press Control and End, it's as simple as that. So if I type in this cell and then press Control and End, it will automatically highlight that cell. But if I press space in a cell, it'll go to that cell. And if I want to remove those last active cells, I need to highlight the columns or rows and just press delete, then save, and if I do Control and N, it goes to the last active cell, which is the title. And that's it. That's how to find the last active cell. And on the opposite side, how to find the first cell is to Control and Home, and it goes to A1. So Control and End, last cell, Control and Home, first cell, and that's it.